Hey everybody, I am going to re-pour this, which, as I've said, looks to me like a brain MRI. You're actually looking at the MRI upside down right now. But yeah, that's what it looks like to me, and I don't like it. And from my the string pull on the video I just did, the gray pattern on that I wiped off the string onto the paper towel was so pretty that I've decided I want to do a black and white pour. So, but I am going to use some of the Payne's Gray. So let me get, so I've got Payne's Gray. This is my Dutch Boy White with, they all are Floetrol and water, but I did add some of the glitter paint just for a little splash of shine. And then I've got my black paint, which is also Dutch Boy, Floetrol and water. And I'm cleaning the tip off my white. And so I couldn't decide how to pour it. I couldn't decide ribbon pour, a flip and drag. I didn't really want a flip and drag because I don't want cells like that. I wanted more lines, which would be like a ribbon pour or something. And then I thought, I wonder what it would be like if I cascaded it off here. And what would be cooler is if I had somebody else squeezing the paint and I could move it. But, wait, this might not work. Maybe it will. Let's see if I can do that. I don't think it's gonna work. Darn it! It worked in my head. Yeah. Yep, that's not gonna work. Okay. Still a lovely swipe. Okay, anywho, that's not gonna work. So that is kind of a cool swipe though. Wonder what it would look like with more of it like that. Okay, I don't like the glitter. Gosh. That's so pretty. Maybe I will, but see then I love, let's see what happens with this. See, I think that's cool too. I want to do it all, but I can't. Now I can't decide what to do. I think I may just kind of fill it. Like this. That part's my favorite, and that was kind of a, let's see if I can do that one again. It's kind of a fold over. Kind of flip the paint over. So I have decided that white will be the predominant base coat. Oh, it's pretty. Looks like marble. hoping you can that this stays in the frame as I'm doing like the bigger circles. There is a lot of paint. I think I want to get off some of the heavier on the side towards you. I'm going to use this semi-clean one too. Yeah, I guess it doesn't want to be urged off the. Well, it doesn't look like a MRI anymore, which is nice. I don't even know what's going on this side. Oh, pretty good. I'm really liking it. I like how I was able to lighten it up just by kind of, as I said, folding that paint over. And this is just cardboard. I'm not really sure. I found them in a drawer. I think they're meant for that cheap shelving to be like the backboard of it, you know? Like that cube shelving. I think that, because I did buy one, and it was in that, so I'm assuming that's what it's from. Ooh, look at my pretty finger. It's so pretty. Can't go wrong with these colors. And it did, I mean, I did get the white cells popping through when I torched. which usually really bug me a lot, but they seem kind of fitting in this piece. And looking closely, there's tons of detail. Like normally I would not leave a big blob like that of black or of this black. But the webbing or the veins, the white veins going through it are pretty cool. Okay, I can't get my glove off. I am pleased with this one, quite pleased. Okay, now close your eyes. Here, what if I do this? Does this help with your blurriness if you can't see anything at all? That glare is so strong. Like, that's probably my favorite area. Just that little area right there. And then that. And you can see these little pinpoints. Those are already getting bigger from when I walked over to get the phone. And I'm sure if we just sat here for a few minutes, well, actually you can see them getting bigger as we are talking. And if I'm not wrong, that thing is starting to separate. And I'm starting to get more cells here. Yeah, see, I like the veins going through that. Those are some really weird cells. But yeah, they are just kind of taking over now. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.